Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2018 33 Boston Whaler Outrage. Starting aft, you see we have the white twin 350 motors with joystick piloting. Built into the stern, we have a nice deep live well or fish box. Notice you have some rod holders across the back, as well as a freshwater sprayer here. Nice aft seat that folds up into the transom to get out of your way when you are fishing. The standard seat on the 33 Outrage has a live well built in underneath. Once you shut this, have a nice seat here, and then a bait prep station that slides out on here with a cutting board that goes on top. On the starboard side, you notice you have nice tow rails for bottom fishing, as well as two large fish boxes in the floor that have macerators built in. On the port side, we have a nice dive door, the handle that swings around, and we have a nice boarding ladder that pops into here that's stored underneath the hatch. Moving forward to the helm, have really nice helm seatings here. So you have an individual captain's seat with flip-up thigh rise. So we have a double helm seat here, and then for our vertically challenged people, we have a nice flip down, get you up a little higher. Joystick control, autopilot built in, and the skyhook feature. We have twin GS Raymarine screens, so for fish finder, radar, chart plotter. We have auto trim tabs built in here, and we also have the new active trim system, which automatically trims your engines while you're running as well. Full safety glass windshield with a push button hatch that opens up at the top. Little storage here, VHF microphone built in up here right in your face where you can hear it if you're running. On either side, we actually have trolling seats built in that pop out of the gunnels, so you can sit aft facing and watch your lines while you're fishing. This also has the hatch and ladder to be able to access the fiberglass hardtop. Moving forward, you have a nice deep area, have a nice seating area in front of the console. Optional teak table forward. And all of your cushions, all of your gear, scuba tanks, fishing rods, everything has storage built in. And then obviously you have a windlass forward underneath the forward hatch. And this boat was ordered with the forward sunshade, which shades the entire boat. Attaches to the hardtop and goes forward to these rod holders here. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My telephone number is 910-200-9636. Thank you.